I'm going to show you how to create a company in HubSpot. So you go to contact and then you click companies, and then you're gonna come to this page here. And then once that's done, you come here, you click create company. You can also import the list of the company, and then here we have some few action for your companies there. So let's say for instance, you click create company. It's here. You're gonna have let's say for instance, we have tesla.com. And then the nice thing with HubSpot is the moment you create a company, you're going to see it's going to populate directly the name of the company. And once you put the domain of the company, so HubSpot has the system where it can fetch the company name, the company name, and then after that we have the industry and all the stuff. So yeah, as you can see, it does populate all those information directly. So this is the great stuff for HubSpot. So once that is done, you just click create. And then if you want to, for instance, you need to add more fields in this when you're creating your company, you click edit this form. And then you come to add properties, and then you click company information or any of those group properties to add whatever that you want to add. Let's say for instance country. Edit country, the country you can drag, you can see there. Yeah, so you can drag and stuff, you can delete some of the item that you don't want, and so forth. So once you finish, you just click save, and then you can preview it as well. You can see how it looks like. Yeah, so this is the way that you create a company in HubSpot. And then we have the company settings. When you come to, you click settings icon, come data management, objects, CRM object, companies. You're gonna see there is now different kind of setup for your company that you can like have a setup, manage company property, create associated company with contact, fill company property using HubSpot inside database. So they fill company property using HubSpot inside database. There, if you want that system that you did see that when we're creating the company, and then HubSpot did fill that those fields. So this is the settings if you want it. If you don't want it, you can tick there. Here we have associations, where you can set up your association. So use association to identify and track the connection between your objects. This way we set up association. We have life cycle stage, where you can add up your life cycle stage, subscriber, lead, marketing, qualified lead, and so forth. And then here you can see how many contacts that you already have and has those properties, those property values field. Here we have record customization. Here where you can try to customize your layout for that for the company CRM card. It can be like the one that is, as you can see here, you can create those team view. This is the way that because I don't have I have to upgrade to contact a professional to be able to see this. Yeah, so so here where we have default view, you can create your own team view. You can have the default view. You can have a default view here. So you can add section and so forth. Yeah, so HubSpot is giving like a different way of you can customize those layouts here and the card. And then here we have the preview customizations and all the team view that you can try to add. So this is the way that you create a company in HubSpot. If you like this video, click a thumbs up and subscribe for more.